Hi guys, this is Shobhana back. That I'm going to give makeup classes back from February first week. Either it will be on a Sunday or a Monday. What I'm going to cover in the classes is basically I'm going to explain how to take care of your skincare before and after the makeup. And it will be a 2.5 hours to 3 hours class in a group, and I'm going to take only 6 to 8 people in one class, not more than that. So just call me as soon as possible to block that you don't have to rush at the last minute. And I'm going to provide the products, and you'll be bringing your own brushes, and we are going to start with covering the black circles and pigmentation, whatever the problems you have it on the skin. I'm going to explain how to do the makeup to cover that, and so that you guys can get prepared. And if you have any questions in between, you can always call me, and my phone number to reach is 925 236 2680. The main reason why I'm starting this class is most of my clients and friends, they start asking me, they have so much of confusion between the concealers, color corrections and the foundations, because if you don't use it in the right way and the right amount of the product, then it is going to give you either dark look or the lighter look, which is not really, when it doesn't look good because it gives all these ashy tones on your face. So just to avoid that, you need to use the right amount and right product on your face, depending on your, I can say for dry skins you can use the same the product which the oily skin people use. If you know how to apply and how much to apply, that is all matter. So here I'm going to give you the class step by step, and you're going to do it on your own skin, because I'm not going to get any model, or I'm not going to do it on them. So I'll let you guys do your own makeup. Do two looks. One is like day look and one evening look. And once you know how to apply, you can go as dramatic as you want, but you need to know how to do that. So if you have any questions, please feel free to call me, and my phone number again is 925 236 2680, and I will be more than happy to help you out. Even if you have any questions regarding your hair care or your skin care or any beauty tips you wanted, you can always call me back. See you guys. So please try to block as soon as possible, because I won't be taking more than 6 people again. So I start with a very small group right now, and as it goes we'll see how it works. But as if now I'm going to start only with 6 to 8 in one session. I won't be taking more than that, no matter what it is. So if you can't book by February, when the first week of Feb, if you can't come, then you have to wait till March. Oh, one more thing, because the Valentine's is coming on 14th of February, so I will be starting the first week of February. So I think that will be something helpful for you guys to get ready for your evening. So just feel free. Okay, bye.